Hey guys, this is me Prachi. Welcome back to my channel. So, हमारे डिशवॉशर में क्या प्रॉब्लम हुई थी? जो इसका टच पैड था, इसमें शायद थोड़ा सा पानी का भी ड्रिप हुआ था. So because of that, it stopped working. And now I got to know that all my LG products like refrigerator, washer dryer, my oven, the microwave, as well as the washer and dryer, all of these I can connect to Wi-Fi and connect to the app, and it will tell me all the instructions about okay, when does it need to be clean, like it has to be like deep clean. So right now he started the dishwasher with a bottle on. I'll show you that. So it's quite interesting. I thought I'm gonna show you that. So yeah, stay tuned and I will show you everything, including the filter from our refrigerator. We need to change filter every 6 months. So I'm gonna order everything. I'm gonna order the deep clean stuff for our washer, and then I'm gonna do it all. Like the way it is getting done for the dishwasher, same way it has to be done for our washer as well as for our refrigerator. Not cleaning for refrigerator, but filter update for our refrigerator. Okay, talk to you soon.
The most common problem with dishwasher panels, I don't care if it's ours, Frigidaires, Whirlpools, Maytag, any type of dishwasher, especially it's right next to the sink. They always are.
Yeah.
You wash dishes, you clean stuff, you cut stuff, things can get on it and it happens.
Yeah.
So it is what it is. And it's been like that since they've been in. So you're
Okay.
just gonna open the
Open
lid.
this. Okay. This
It has a
bottle.
wick in it. See that little thing there? You're gonna take this whole bottle and stick it in a silverware basket.
I see. That's it.
Then you're gonna come here and you see where it says machine clean.
Machine clean. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Stop. That's because it's telling me. Let's try this again. Okay, so to tub clean, you're gonna do this tub clean version? Okay, the tub clean. You tub clean version? Okay, the tub clean. You're just gonna come over here where it says tub clean. Where are you? One stop.
Yeah.
See where it says
Yeah,
tub
this
clean
one,
right there?
tub wash.
Again. 1, 2, 3,
3.
and then just tub clean.
Yes.
Then you just hit your button
Okay.
and start it.
Got it.
And then you can pause it and pour your liquid in once it starts doing its thing.
Oh, so I have to wait for it.
I would.
Okay.
Okay. Just because you don't want to be wrong button and then you're pouring it in and then it just drains out. Then you just wasted $5.
Okay. Okay.
So
Got
do
it.
this first. Start it. Wait until you see all full up. It only fills up with water just like this.
Right.
Pause it like you were going to put some more clothes in.
So it will tell us that the water fill or something, some noise. Now we have to wait for it manually. Like I just have to look for it.
Yeah.
Wait for 1 minute. Let it fill
Yeah.
the water.
But yes.
Then pause. Open. Pour the.
You just drop that down. You squeeze the sides. And see, this one was changed in 2022. It's going to be 3 years old.
Oh my god. So we have to
6
change
months.
it every year.
Once every 6 months.
Oh my god. Okay. So
You just
this
turn it.
again, I'll get it from Amazon.
You can get it on Amazon. The best place to get it is on, once you make your account, you can actually order it online.
Okay, I twist and then it will come out.
Come out.
Got it.
When you twist, make sure you hold it tight. Don't ginger hard like because if you don't, you won't be able to put it back in.
Oh,
And same way when you turn it back on, you just like that.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, सो हम जा रहे हैं सैम्स क्लब थोड़ा सामान लेने. हमेशा मैं थोड़ा सामान लेने ही जा रही होती हूँ, बट आई वांटेड टू स्टॉक अप सामान बिकॉज पूरा वीकेंड जो है स्नो होने वाली है एंड इट इज़ शोइंग कि कल भी कुछ होने वाला. सो अगर मान लो हम नेक्स्ट वीक तक बाहर नहीं जा पाए तो मैंने कहा टुडे इज़ द बेस्ट डे सामान लेके आने के लिए. सो मैं जा रही हूँ, फिर विवान को पिक करूँगी, फिर घर आऊँगी. ओके, सी यू सून. सो मैं तो आ गई हूँ सैम्स एंड देखिए यहाँ कितने प्रिटी फ्लावर्स हैं, जिनमें से एक मैं लेके जाने वाली हूँ. let me find one for myself. So I picked these. Now I will take you to a jackpot place. Quickly. Place is this. Sam's में मिलती है पनीर. Yes. The Bharat Ma paneer. I'm gonna get that. Also हमारे Sam's में freshly squeezed juice मिलता है. I'm gonna try that. मुझे मिला तो बट मैंने आज लिया है ग्रेप वाला. ऑरेंज जूस बस मैंने ट्राई कर लिया बट लिया मैंने ये है. नाउ आई हैव टू गेट ऑल दीज वेजीज. The frozen section, baby spinach. So with that हमारा जो डिशवॉशर का साइकिल है वो क्लीन हो गया है. And I will show you. Now it's all clean. But this was the one, the Glisten dishwasher cleaner that disinfects. This is the one I've used. So with that, ये जो cleaning cycle थी वो about 1 hour 30 minutes चली. And now ये all clean हो गया है. मैंने order कर दिए हैं filter for refrigerator. And also I've ordered that clean squares or cube also जो मैंने order कर दिए हैं for हमारी washing for washer. And I must tell you कि आपको जो है हमेशा every 40 cycles हमें वो यूज़ करना चाहिए. एंड LG का अगर आपके पास रेफ्रिजरेटर है तो LG का रेफ्रिजरेटर वंस इन एवरी 6 months आपको उसका फिल्टर चेंज करना है. एंड एवरी 40 लोड्स वॉशर को आपको क्लीन अप करना है. एंड डिशेस सेम, मे बी वंस इन अ वाइल जस्ट थ्रो दैट लिक्विड और क्लीन कर दो. सो दैट्स द अपडेट. आई होप आपको पसंद आया होगा आज का मेरा व्लॉग. एंड इफ़ यू लाइक वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज़ प्लीज़ हिट लाइक and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.